Two different perspectives, same thing. Oh, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I see the reflection of my view behind me. I'm just gonna show you guys. Let's take this in for a minute. I manifested this. And you can do the same thing. I wanted to share with you guys a mindset shift and a perspective shift. Comfort zones and how there are two different perspectives in this world, two different people in this world. When you go to a zoo, right? You're at a zoo where they have all these animals, and let's pretend you are a tiger at the zoo. You're a tiger in a cage because you're being brought out onto the field, right? Now, there are two different tigers in this world. Same physical look, same exact thing, but I'm explaining two different perspectives. So perspective number one, you're the tiger in the cage and you're comfortable there. You're happy that you're in the cage. You're happy that you feel safe. You feel comfortable. You feel protected by the external world. You feel like, you know, you're locked in. Nothing's gonna come get you. That's the first perspective. Second perspective is you feel trapped. You feel like you have no freedom. You feel like you're just in your comfort zone, and you feel like you want to break free into the unknown, into the world where there's an infinite amount of possibilities of freedom. Two different perspectives, same thing. I invite you to ask yourself, which one are you? Are you the one that enjoys being safe and being comfortable? Or are you the one who craves freedom, craves the unknown? Because the tiger who craves the freedom and the unknown is going to be able to manifest all their desires, is going to bring everything into reality that they really want and they really desire. Nothing new comes in comfort. Taking that risk of breaking free from the cage, you're able to learn about yourself, you're able to learn about life, and regardless of what it is that you bring to reality, you're learning. And this is just a mindset shift, right? So if you're listening to this and you're like, wow, I kind of feel like I'm both tigers, that's amazing. Because the fact that you feel like you could be both means you have a part of you that is ready or that is willing to jump out and to learn, right? And a quote that I love to say is, when the student is ready, the teacher shows up. So this video can be part of that teaching for you. I want to share with you guys a journal prompt that you can do. 3 things that you want to bring into reality this year. And why? Why do you want to bring those in? Because when it comes to anything, manifesting, being clear on your mindset, bringing clarity around things, is knowing your why. If you have heard this before, sometimes it takes a few times for it to click. So if you feel like, oh, I've heard her do this before, but for some reason, or I've heard someone say this before, but for some reason it's clicking now, I invite you to follow that. And I want you to close your eyes after you write all that down and visualize yourself bringing that into reality and being clear on why you want it and allowing your body to feel it. I invite you to leave a comment below if you found this video helpful and if you did the journal prompts. I would love to know. I would love to hear about it. You can take a screenshot and message it to me on IG. You can leave it all down below. You can write it out. You can email it to me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, my name is Jessica. You can follow me here. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. It is free. You can follow me on Instagram at jessica.tellian.com. Wait. That made no sense. You can follow me on Instagram at jessica.tellian. My website is jessicatellian.com. And I wanted to share with you guys my angel number rings and necklaces because I get so many questions. These are my jewelry company. Not all the rings, these two. My angel number rings. This is 7, this is 3, 2, and 4. They are the highest quality on the market, 18 karat gold plated stainless steel, so they do not change the color of your skin. And they don't change the color of the necklaces. I sweat in them, I shower with them. I've been doing it for months and their quality is amazing. Whatever number you feel you're being called to is the one. Just like when you're going to buy crystals, same thing. It is the one. I feel so honored to share with you guys that I have a free 6-step manifestation method. It is an official method that I have a full video on and an ebook for you guys to download and for you guys to watch the video. The video goes with the ebook because I envisioned myself sharing and giving my knowledge when it comes to manifestation in multiple different forms of learning, because I know what it's like to sometimes be ready for something but not fully understanding it and kind of getting frustrated. So I created the ebook for you guys, and I also created a video. I'll put it up here somewhere, and I explain it all so you have that visual and auditory learning method. But thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next video very soon. Mwah! I love this view right now.